Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch D and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To wake up the screen, press the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called display and brightness. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to settings, display and brightness, and then tap on it to enter. And here we have two options, brightness and auto brightness. If you want to adjust the screen brightness manually, you will need to disable the auto brightness, so tap on the switch next to it, like this, and then we can tap on the brightness option. This will open this page, and here we can use the slider to adjust the screen brightness. You can swipe up and down on it, like this. And once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the home button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.